Hello everybody, this is Francois from Solid Experience, here to teach you a couple of neat tricks I've learned about 3D printing and taking your parts off the printer when your print is finished. We have to get this off the bed, and a lot of us end up using a spatula, which I don't recommend. Number one, you damage the part and you scratch the bottom of your print bed, and those micro scratches will also be transferred to future parts as it prints on the first surface. I have a much better suggestion. With a lot of printers, you can actually take the bed off, and every printer is different. Markforged is really cool because we have a magnetic base that comes off. And my method, let's see if I can do this and show you, it's actually really simple. Just go and apply your bed to the side of a table like so, and there we have it, nice and clean and no damage to your surface.